Today, many data teams already use powerful AWS services like Amazon S3, Amazon RDS, Amazon Redshift, and EMR to build modern data platforms. But in real projects, workflows are still often scattered across SQL scripts, Python jobs, shell scripts, and different scheduling tools. That makes delivery slower, operations harder, and troubleshooting more expensive. Moreover, many enterprises also need to coordinate workflows across hybrid environments, with core systems like SAP and Oracle still running on-premises, while more analytics and data workloads continue moving onto AWS. WhaleScheduler is designed to solve exactly this challenge by giving teams a unified orchestration layer for modern data workflows. Here we are in WhaleScheduler's Visual Workflow Designer. Instead of stitching scripts together manually, teams can build workflows through a drag-and-drop DAG interface. In this example, we orchestrate a typical AWS data pipeline, a SQL task, a Python validation task, a Spark job, and an alert step. This makes workflow logic easy to understand, easy to change, and much easier to manage across teams. WhaleStudio also supports 50+ task types out of the box, including SQL, Shell, Python, Java, Trigger, Switchbreak, and more logical task type. Now let's open the task configuration. This is not just a simple visual designer, it is built for production operations. You can configure dependencies, scheduling calendars, worker groups, resource control, and business-friendly parameters such as data date and schedule date. That means teams can handle daily batch jobs, hourly jobs, event-driven workflows, and more, all in one orchestration platform. Next, we trigger the workflow. Once it starts running, WhaleScheduler gives you a real-time view of every node in the DAG. You can immediately see which tasks are running, which have completed, and where failures happen. This is important because an orchestration platform should not stop at design time. It also needs to be the runtime control center for production. The platform includes workflow tracking, job instance management, dashboards, and alert summaries to help teams stay in control. If a task fails, operators can quickly open logs, diagnose the issue, and take action. WhaleScheduler supports retry, pause and resume, dependency management, manual intervention, and alerting. So instead of restarting everything, teams can recover faster and reduce operational risk. That is especially important for enterprise production environments, where reliability matters just as much as speed. Behind this simple user experience is a distributed architecture designed for scale. WhaleStudio highlights a decentralized multi-master and multi-worker architecture with high availability, fault tolerance, and horizontal scalability. So as workloads grow, teams can keep the same orchestration experience while scaling to larger production demands. For AWS customers, WhaleScheduler fits naturally into the modern cloud data stack. It works alongside services such as S3, RDS, Redshift, and EMR, and WhaleStudio case studies in the deck position it as a unified control plane for AWS-based data integration, SQL development, orchestration, and monitoring. The result is simple: faster workflow delivery, lower tool fragmentation, and more reliable operations at enterprise scale. That is WhaleScheduler visual orchestration built for modern AWS data teams. Thank you for watching.